Hey folks, this is Graham at Vermont Country Campers. Today I'd like to do a walkthrough with you on a Rockwood A213 high wall. One of the advantages of these high walls is how quick and we can put them up or take them down. The high walls, which when I talk high wall, I'm talking from here to here, they also make a standard. All high walls are power assisted to go up and down. The standards are all manual. This particular unit here weighs in at about 2,500 pounds, which makes it very light for small vehicles. Very well equipped. It has the outside speaker, antenna, storage in the back, storage in the front. It also has storage on top. On the inside, one of the nice features of a high wall is that you have a larger refrigerator. Your counters are more waist level. Comes with a 3-burner stove. Nice little sink. The dinette is up front. This particular unit has a microwave, radio, heat, and as you can see, normal configuration of this is going to be two single beds here. We laid this down to show everybody how that you can make one full bed if you'd like. And the grand finale of this is for the woman is no more dodging skunks at 2 o'clock in the morning. You have a little porta potty right here. So this makes it a nice little unit. If you're down this way, stop in and I'd be happy to show you this unit. Have a nice day.